Welcome to the world of birds. In this video, we will discover a beautiful bird through its voice and appearance. It is the red whiskered bulbul. Lives in Asia and green gardens. Builds a small grass nest on trees. Bulbul chicks stay in the nest during the first weeks of their lives. Eats fruits and insects. About 20 centimeters long. Flies around 35 kilometers per hour. Has very sharp eyesight. Smart and social bird. Lives 10 to 15 years. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive new content.